First impressions matter, especially when it comes to your home. In Conway, homeowners are turning to custom door installation as a powerful and stylish way to enhance curb appeal. Whether you're updating your home for resale or simply want to make a statement in your neighborhood, a custom door can transform your exterior in ways that standard options simply can't match. Why custom doors matter for curb appeal. Curb appeal is the visual attractiveness of a home as seen from the street. A well-designed front door is often the focal point of this view. A custom door does more than serve a functional purpose, it sets the tone for your entire home. It's an opportunity to show your personal style, highlight architectural features, and boost perceived value. In Conway's diverse neighborhoods, from modern suburban developments to charming historic districts, a cookie-cutter door can look out of place. A custom-designed door, tailored to your home's architecture and your design preferences, helps your property stand out for all the right reasons. Tailored to fit your home's personality. With custom door installation, you're not limited to the standard selection of big box stores. You can choose from a wide variety of materials, colors, finishes, shapes, and glass options to create a door that fits your vision. Whether you want the rustic warmth of solid wood, the sleek look of steel, or the low maintenance benefits of fiberglass, there's a custom solution for every taste and budget. Homeowners in Conway are increasingly choosing features such as glass inserts or side lights to bring in natural light, bold color choices like navy blue, fire engine red, or deep green, textured wood grain finishes for a classic, welcoming feel, smart locks and handle sets for modern security and style. These choices don't just add to beauty. They create a welcoming atmosphere that makes your home memorable. Long-term value and energy efficiency. The custom doors do more than elevate appearance. They often provide greater durability and energy efficiency. Many local Conway installers offer energy-efficient custom doors that are insulated and built to handle Arkansas's hot summers and chilly winters. With proper weather stripping, double or triple pane glass, and strong materials, you can enjoy better interior comfort and lower energy bills. This attention to long-term value is especially important if you're planning to sell your home. A beautiful, secure, and energy-efficient entryway is a strong selling point that can significantly increase your home's resale appeal. The local touch. Why Conway homeowners choose custom. Another major advantage of choosing a custom door is working with local experts who understand the architectural landscape of Conway. Professional installers often visit your home to measure precisely, consult on design, and ensure a flawless fit. This personal approach means the final result looks like it was always meant to be there, not an afterthought or generic addition. Local businesses also understand the building codes, WA requirements, and seasonal climate shifts that can affect door performance in Conway. This ensures you not only get a gorgeous door but one that's built to last in your specific setting. Make a lasting first impression. A custom door is one of the most cost-effective and visually impactful ways to boost your home's curb appeal in Conway. It's more than an upgrade, it's an investment in your property's beauty, functionality, and long-term value. If your entryway is looking tired, outdated, or simply uninspiring, consider a custom door installation to breathe new life into your home's facade. It's a small change that can make a world of difference every time you, or anyone else, pull into the driveway.